Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's LJ with Russ Darrow Kia here. It's a nice sunny day out today. However, we all know that later in the year, Wisconsin starts to act up when it comes to the weather. So I wanted everybody to know that Russ Darrow Kia has every vehicle option that'll last you year round for that Midwest weather. For example, Kia offers the Sportage as a compact SUV that has the ability to come all-wheel drive. Now that means when you're on those icy and snowy roads, you'll have better traction and overall better control of your car. Or maybe you just like sitting lower to the ground and a sedan suits you better. The new and refreshed Kia K5 actually comes in an all-wheel drive option as well. And if you're looking for an SUV that fits you and your entire family, the Kia Telluride offers 7 to 8 passenger seating. And this model is the X line, which comes with features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats for our bipolar weather. Or maybe you're just looking for a work truck that you can turn into a snowplow. This Chevy Silverado works perfect and it's 4-wheel drive. So do yourself a favor, give us a visit down to Russ Darrow Kia and figure out which vehicle works out best for you.